Hello, my name is Grace and I'm a librarian here at McAllen Public Library, and today I would like to welcome you to join us in our first MPL online book club meeting. Each month we'll be reading one book that's always available on our Libby Overdrive. If you do not have a McAllen Library card, don't worry, because I will provide the Project Gutenberg link where you can download the book for free and legally. Our first book will be a murder mystery novel. It is called The Red House Mystery by A.A. Milne. If A.A. Milne sounds familiar to you, it's because he is the creator of Winnie the Pooh. Our first meeting will be in May 19th at 2 p.m. through Zoom. Registration will be required because I want to make sure it is a secure Zoom meeting. Links to the registration page and books will be below. I'll provide step-by-step instructions on how to join Zoom with your computer or device. I'll see you soon. Bye and thank you.